This is the integral communication device called the COM060. This is installed inside the 3VA. So to install it, first thing we do is isolate the power, and then we unscrew the front cover with the 2 screws on the top. Then the cover falls down and away. Now, depending on the frame size, there is a pin that needs to be installed, so please be mindful of this. So to install the COM, slot it in at the bottom first and then click it in. Now you'll notice that I installed it on the right hand side. If you're not quite sure which side it should be installed, on the back of the cover it will tell you which device is to be installed in which position. Now we just need to put the front cover back on. And then we connect the 3VA line into the T connector. Now all I need to do is stick some power onto it, and you'll see the ETU is now live.